Hello, good evening, and welcome to class today. You are just tuning in, just do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can continue to get content from us. Alright, so we're looking at the topic geometry, and we say that geometry is simply the branch of mathematics. It's a branch of mathematics that deals with the sides, for example, the sides. You deal with the relationship between the side and angles of those shapes. That's what geometry is. It's a branch of mathematics that deals with the sides, these are the sides, then and the angles of those shapes. And that's why this shape is called triangle. It has three angles. Okay, and this one is called a quadrilateral because it has four angles as well as four sides. All right, so that's what geometry is. And basically there are two basic types of shapes that we have. We have the flat shapes or plane shapes, and we have the solid shapes. I got what I'm saying. Plane shapes include, for example, we have triangles which have three sides. They are quadrilateral. We have four sides and four angles. We have pentagons. We have five sides and five angles. We have hexagon, which have six sides and six angles. We have heptagon, which have seven sides and seven angles. We have octagon, we have eight sides and eight angles. We have nonagons, which have nine sides and nine angles. And we have decagon, which have 10 sides as well as 10 angles, right? So we went on to say, we also look at the solid shapes, which we say we have three dimensions. Which have three dimensions: length, height, and breadth, right? An example of such, we have cone, we have cylinder, we have pyramids, we have I'll show that one again. We have sphere, and so on and so forth. So for this one, we are first of all considering the plane geometry, where we look at some definition and we define angles. We say, what is an angle? An angle is simply a space between two lines that meet. So I'll draw a line and I'll draw another line here. This space you're seeing here, what you call an angle. Okay? So this is line, this is another line coming together. We say this is an angle. Okay? And we have three different types of angles. We have various types of angles. We have one, we have the acute angles. We have two, we have the obtuse angle. We have three, we have the reflex angle. We have four, we have, we look at complementary angles, which have, complementary angle, complementary. 5, we have supplementary angle. We have straight line angles as well. Straight line angles, and so on and so forth. So acute angles are less than 90 degrees. Yes, there's also another one. There's also a right angle. Yeah. Obtuse angles are greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees. Are you there? Reflex angles are greater than 180 but less than 360 degrees. And complementary angles are angles that they are sum. Okay, when you add them, the sum will equal to 90. So let's say we have angle A plus angle B is equal to 90. These are complementary angles. Supplementary angles are angles that their sum will give you 180. So you have angle A plus angle B, A plus angle C. Complementary angle equal to 180. Straight line angles are simply angles at the straight line, which are equal to 180. Right angle are equal to 90 degrees. Basically it. We also have angle at the point angle at the point, which are simply 360 degrees. Angle at the point 360 degree, and so on and so forth. All right, so yes, we have done this in the previous class. Just recapping, let's dive into what we have today, the theorems. Because in solving geometry, it's not just about this. The solving is very simple. The solving is just simply basic arithmetic you're doing, plus and minus. Okay. The issue there is the narration. What theorem are you using to solve? You must tell us the theorem. Are you using the sum of angle on a straight line, or are you using sum of angle at a point? Are you using vertical opposite angles, or are you using alternate angles? Are you using corresponding angles, or are you using which other one again? Parallel line and the rest of it. I guess what I'm saying. So you must be able to know which theorem are you applying to solving this geometrical question. All right, let's dive in now. Theorem 1. I think we have done this before, but let's carry on. Theorem 1. Theorem 1 states that these are the basic theorems though, sum of angles on a straight line equal to 180 degrees. That's theorem 1. Sum of angle on a straight line equal to 180 degrees. So we have something like this. I have the angle x, I have the angle y. So simply y degree plus x degree equal to 180 degrees. So that is that. So angle on a straight line. That's theorem 1, the basic theorem. Then theorem 2, you can take this down, pause the video and take it down so that we'll take it off. So let's solve a question on theorem 1, shall we? Okay. So we say sum of angle on a straight line equal to what? 180.